Let's move on now. The protests against the tragic suicide of a research scholar in the University of Hyderabad has reached the national capital. Students staged a protest outside HRD Ministry in the capital. Congress students' body NSUI demonstrated at Smriti Irani's doorstep. Water cannons were unleashed on the protesting students, and left students' body SFI also protested outside the HRD Minister's office earlier in the morning. In fact, the protesters are demanding that a case of murder be registered against the Vice-Chancellor of the university and a CBI probe be conducted into the events that led to the students' suicide. Ashar Ahmad Khan has spoken with HRD Minister Smriti Irani. Let's listen in.
Joining us now is the HRD Minister, Smriti Irani. Ma'am, you've seen what has happened in Hyderabad. What is the action your ministry has taken on this?
Law and order is within the purview of the state, and everybody who recognizes that the Central University under an Act of Parliament 2009 is administered autonomously in conjunction with its Executive Council and Academic Council, recognizes that it's independent in its functioning. I'll only say this, that at this time where a family has lost a child, my condolences to him, to the family and his loved ones. We have sent a 2-member committee to look into the issue and give us a status report on what has happened within the university campus.
Ma'am, what are the terms of reference of that committee?
Like I said, the committee has been told to just ascertain the facts on the ground. Since law and order is not within our purview, we cannot in any way intervene in the judicial or legal process or the police investigation. We are only in a capacity to hear what has been happening on the university, and then the committee is to report to me.
Ma'am, if the committee indicts people or says that prima facie
The
some
committee
people...
does not have any judicial or legal authority because law and order is a state issue and this is a law and order issue. That is why the committee is only empowered to give me facts as they ascertain from the university authorities.
And ma'am, the protest which is happening outside your house, the Congress party has been demanding the resignation of one of the union ministers of this government. How would you respond to it?
I'm of the opinion that at a time where a family has lost a child, I will not give a political statement, and even if it is the Congress party, I will not speak against them. I will only say anything with regards to what happened within the campus after the report is submitted duly by the committee.
Thank you, ma'am, so much for speaking to us. That was the Union HRD Minister speaking to us with camera person Sanjeev Kumar in Delhi. Ashar Khan for India Today.
और वो चल पड़ा, और चलने के पहले उसने ढेर सारी चीजों का अध्ययन किया होगा, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप की होगी, और नया एक उसने